Right, good morning guys, welcome to today's video. I didn't do a little intro when we started, so I thought I'd just do one now. What you're about to see is a 29-year-old man struggling to breathe whilst running along the road with 80 heifers up behind him. So we're moving some heifers from the farm to some away ground along the road. So you'll see that. We then change the liners in the pit. They do that 3 times a year here, so the new liners going in the clusters. We then moved the R1s, which is the youngest calves, from where they were back to the farm, dosed them up with some wormer. I forgot to turn my microphones on because I am a really good YouTuber. Splendid job, Josh. So we gave them the paw and wormer, side decked in, and then they've been loaded up into a stock box and taken away to another block of ground. So Richard and Abby are doing that. And then I've gone on doing a bit of tanking, but I won't film the tanking because you saw that in the last video. So we'll not flood the market with slurry tanking videos. But yeah, I thought I'd just give you a little quick intro as to what's going on. I really need to get into shape, is what I've decided after running in front of those cows the other day. I was absolutely shafted by the time we stopped. So that's what you're going to see. If you enjoy it, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't already, then please do subscribe to the channel. We are so close to 19,000. We might even be there by the time this video comes out. But yeah, thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the video. I do also need to just say a quick thank you to Adrian at iFarm We Farm. Gave me a shout out on Instagram the other day, and that has definitely bumped up my Instagram following as well as my YouTube. So thank you very much, Adrian. If you don't know who Adrian is, search iFarm We Farm on YouTube and you'll find him. I'm sure you've already found him, but yeah, go check him out. Hey! Move on a bit. Sanford's fittest farmer on the go. Whose idea was it to put a jumper on?
Keep going.
I don't think we've got a choice. I haven't done any running in about 6 months. And now this!
1.5 mile jog.
Oh god. I thought nice heavy in-calf heifers would be slow. Go on.
Watch out, kid.
Just hold it this way.
Josh just handed me the camera. Oh, they went past quite nicely.
Oh, they do that.
They were quite civilised.
No, we're alright.
Yeah, I had a lady ask if I wanted a lift. I'm like, no, we're moving cows. It's okay.
I'm blowing out my arse.
Why? There wasn't anything, just all that about 20 minutes.
Goodness me.
All that build up.
I told Abby it'd be a lot longer than that. Well, I'm absolutely shafted after that running. Oh my goodness. I need to get in shape. Right, there's a couple things in here need doing. There's a couple pulse lines that are knackered, I've got to change. And also we're going to start changing these liners, I think, if Robbie's got some new ones, because they're due a change. Oh Lord! You're right, Abby, carry on. Yeah, they are.
So shocked. Yesterday got to go home and unblock our toilet because this decided to chuck a load of toilet roll down there. And he was like, it goes in the end, but it sort of fills up. That was fun.
The star, whatever you call this, I couldn't get the thing to line up.
Oh yeah, when you're trying to get
And then I couldn't get it in. Oh.
Giggity.
That is a giggity. That is one.
Yeah, cows go back up north with you again tonight.
Yep.
So you can see it a bit marked from the road now, can't you? Now they've eaten the grass off. It's not too bad.
I didn't actually pay any attention to the field.
What do you mean you didn't pay attention to the field?
When we ran past it.
Oh, farm manager! Oh, that's it. The motor back up, mate. Start the 25 years ago.
Time served.
T-shirt the last 2 weeks. Out the window.
I've not been here 2 weeks. Non-genuine. Is there much of a difference in price?
Yeah, lots.
There is.
That's why we can change it 3 times.
I see. For less than it'll...
Oh, we can probably change it 5 or 6 times.
Oh, Christ.
It's the same as doing it twice.
Jesus. Get my camera out your snout.
That's covered in water, Abby.
Nice. Oh, goodness me. Still feeling the effects of that run. Anyway, down into the pit here. See, we've now got lovely new liners and all the clusters. All the shells have had a good wash. Everything's had a lovely bit of steam cleaning. Abby's done an awesome job there. It's all nice and clean, look. Be a nice environment to work in this afternoon. Just been up and spent a bit of time with Rob on the computer, going through things like Baroners lists and Yoni scores and all those sorts of things for cull cows and breeding and why certain breeding decisions get made and all those sorts of things. Just heading home for lunch, so I need to change my boots. But many hands make light work of those liners. There's 3 of us in there. We've done it all in less than an hour. Right, the next thing you'll see in this video will be the next lot of heifers, so the young ones, on Friday, which is in a couple of days' time. They're going to be brought into the yard, wormed, and then taken away for their summer grazing. So the second half of Operation Move heifers. We're now with the younger ones. So these are R1s. So they would have been born last autumn, coming up to a year old, some of them in August, September, and they are on the move. So the big lot we ran to the other block of ground in the beginning of the video. These guys we're going to take back to the yard and worm them, and then they're going to be boxed across to the bit of away ground that they go to. Come on! They're looking really well. So these are the same age as the ones we had at Northwick, the Angus ones off of Rob. Come on! Psst, psst. No grazing, that's growing. Come on. The future milk train, Rob. Come on. Don't eat the mowing grass. Hey, hey, hey. Come on, you little toad. Alongside the fence. Good go. Well done. That's it, get them all joined back up. God, smell the slurry. God, there's a lot of running involved on this farm. Keep them moving, Josh, keep them moving. This is where having good cow tracks is really, really helpful. Nice little leisurely run at 8:45 in the morning. Rob's been busy out there with the tanker the last 48 hours or so. When's that quad bike coming? Well done, girls. Steady, steady, steady. Oh, God. They have no perception of corners. Chained. Six. Good girls. So there we go. Up. That's right. I'll try and open this gate as they walk out, and then they'll see their mates. Muck to the face. Now I need a shower calf. Lovely work, sir. How much are they getting?
So I've got the weight on the side.
Oh, I see. It's done my weight.
And 50 kilos worth,
25 mil, 1 per 10. Right, you lot going to come in one big hit? Suck calves, suck calves, suck calves. Oh, a gingery one. Oh. I'm going to do them here and I'll let them out this side.
Sit down, turn your head.
Good girl. Right on. I'm back.
She's quite a big one.
Yeah, she is, yeah.
Big old Monty in her.
Belly hard.
Whereas we go out in March, it's the first time we're worming them.
Yes.
We should have wormed them properly before, but they're not properly.
No. You don't want to build resistance, Rob. Okay.
You might have to follow after this.
I've got a load here for you ready, look.
I just got a piece of the mountain one.
Yeah, I actually did something useful since starting to work here. Good girls. That's some good heifers. That's the way to do it. Six. They were heading perfectly in.
I know.
No. Oh my word. Six. Come back, white cow, that'd be ideal. Or one blackie come back, one of you come back. Oh, that'll do.
lock them up.
Hooray!
Just leave these guys here for a second.
Yep.
And then we set them up in 11, so they'll be all ready for those guys to load them in the box.
Oh, okay, yeah.
If they don't count them.
They haven't got to do any counting, you say.
Yeah.
Lovely job.
Right. If you wait there,
Do we do that at 11?
close to 11, or you go forward. Yeah, you go forward. Let 11 that back, Ken.
Yeah. Yeah, that's 11. So do pen them up. How many's in there? 4. 9. So that's 9. Hey, come on. Come on. Good girls. Good girls. Good girls.
Shut that gate.
5 loads of 11. Yeah, 24 is 79.
It'll be 7. Oh, I got my worm.
That was a quick way to do 80 animals.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in quick if they slow.
Yes.
Because, yeah, you literally just keep going, you know. Like, sometimes you can get it just right. You do it on your own, even.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Right, I need to put them out the sun, really, don't I?
What does it use? Sidectin. That was an incredibly quick way to worm 79 animals. Richard and Abby are taking them away in the stock box behind the Land Rover. Me and Rob have just lotted them up into groups to go into the box, and when they come back, they just take the next available one. And it's all easy. Right, we're heading in the tanker for a bit. Cows are on their way. Look at that. There's the milk train. So they've been grazing that field today. Coming back across this one, there's a cow crossing over there. There's a cow crossing here. So we'll just set this up a minute and they'll be in the parlour ready. Glorious afternoon, really is. That's that set up. Cars can still go through if they want to. And just like that, we're back at home. Me and the Doug here, just editing the video that you're currently watching. I had a lot more of a video than that, and I don't know what's happened to the files. I thought I transferred them across to my computer, but apparently I haven't. One thing I've noticed, right, I'm in my 3rd week now on the farm. I never ever struggle getting out of bed, and I don't now. If my alarm goes off, I'm up. But crikey, the evenings, I am absolutely hit for 6 at the moment. It's just my body adjusting to going back to doing early mornings. I'm getting out of bed 3 hours earlier than I was to go milking. So in theory, I should be going to bed 3 hours earlier, but of course I'm not. And this, I'm guessing what's happened there with the rest of that footage is one evening when I was transferring it all across, I didn't, and then what I always do is I transfer the files from the GoPro to my laptop or to this hard drive thing here, and then as soon as I transfer them across, I clear the memory card, I wipe it before putting it back in the GoPro. So I'm guessing what I've done is I've not transferred it and I've wiped the GoPro. So, you know, yeah, really good. So here we are. But anyway, thank you for watching. We'll try and get a bit of a catch up on the 2 groups of heifers at some point. The older ones, they go away now until we bring them back for calving. So that'll be, 6-7 weeks time. And the younger ones will stay out now until they need housing, obviously at winter time. They've gone off to a separate block of ground. I don't quite know when I'll go and see them, if I will at all, because Rob's dad goes around and sees the heifers every day. But anyway, now I'm waffling. Since recording the first few parts of this video, we have passed 19,000 subscribers. So thank you very much to whoever was the 19,000th. We're flying at the moment. I think it's just because of the slight change of jobs. We're probably videos are going out to a slightly newer audience or a slightly different audience than normal, which is incredible. I've never had YouTube stats as good as they are at the minute. So I am very, very grateful. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you to everyone who's visited the merch store in the past week. We've been busy there as well, which is great. The dog is absolutely knackered, so he's getting up at 4:20 as well, getting the cows in the morning. It's just too much, isn't it, Gus? Too much for you. Token tail wag. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please give the video a like if you haven't already. If you've not subscribed, please please do so. It's completely free, doesn't cost you anything, and helps me out loads. And yeah, I'll see you guys on another video very soon.